Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Aldi ad sneak peek into the cycle starting July 11th. Stay tuned. Okay, so I think I still am going to try this method of looking at the ad online. Last ad video, unfortunately, even though I clicked the see more details, it didn't offer that much more detail. But we're gonna give it a go again and see how it works. So if you do like this way better than me taking the camera and having you look at the ad like this, let me know. Let me know which way you like better. If you don't really care, let me know that too. I would just prefer to do something that's a little easier to watch, and sometimes one can make you dizzy. So just let me know. All right, so let's take a look at, oh my gosh. So if you know me a little bit, you know that I love all things lemon. And it looks like it's a lemon theme on the front here that is linked with Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation. We're raising another $1 million. Cool. And they have the QR code if you wanted to directly donate. Very cool. I will enlarge that if you want to do that. I don't know if that'll translate well via the screen that you're looking at. And if you're watching from your phone, it won't make a difference. But yeah, I don't know. You might be watching your computer or some kind of tablet or something. But look at all this lemon stuff. Oh, and you know what? They don't have the lemon cookies that I like from Aldi. They're so divine. Okay, so they have kitchen stuff. So $7.99 Crofton summer dessert pan. It says assorted varieties. Are they going to show us the assorted? No, they don't. Okay, fine. $19.99 this Crofton double beverage dispenser. Let's take a look anyway, just to see it a little bit better. I was saying last video that although this might not show more detail, it hopefully will show better resolution, because when you click on the item online, that will give you a much better picture versus looking at the ad, which will be a lower resolution, of course, because they're smaller. $1.29 here for the Nature's Nectar Watermelon Lemonade. Watermelon lemonade. Have you had that? Strawberry lemonade. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so good. I have not had watermelon though. $1.79 Nature's Nectar Lemonade. Yum. $5.99 the lemonade mix. $2.85 for the Nabisco Belvita assorted varieties. $3.89 for the Bake Shop mini lemon cake bites. Ooh. $2.18 for the Moon Pie lemon pies. Okay. $2.99 for the Moser Roth lemon chocolate truffles. Lemon and chocolate. You know what I would really like on here is lemon macarons. Over the quarantine, COVID craziness that we've all been going through, I was kind of perfecting the macaron recipe. I think I'm like 99% there. And my favorite flavor was lemon. Lemon cardamom. And $2.49, sorry for the tangent, Sunday Shop Alex's Lemonade Stand bars. Ooh, these rockers look good. Okay, before I accidentally skip stuff, let me go to the top first. So these look very similar to the floats from last week. I have last week's ad here. Yeah, those are the floats from last week. And they look just like them, but they're not floats. They are float speakers, water resistant up to 3 feet deep. Includes air pump, $9.99 each. $9.99 each for this Crane water toy assortment. So it looks like they have several kinds of things that you could do, some catching mitts, some rackets. $4.99 for the Adventure Ridge watertight smartphone case or storage case. That could be a good deal, especially if you're going canoeing, rafting. And yes, okay, let's look at these rockers. How good are these? Are they steel, I assume? Some kind of metal? Those look really cute. This I could see going fast, especially since they probably won't have a ton of them because they're so big. $29.99 for Adventure Ridge 4-in-1 air bed. Great for guests, I assume. Includes 2 single beds. 2 pillows, a carry bag, pump, and repair patch. $8.99 Adventure Edge 17-in-1 multi-tool. So I assume it'll tell you on the box, even though it probably doesn't show here, what are the 17 tools. Yeah, that could be useful, especially if you're traveling, camping. $3.99 Range Master 2-pack multi-purpose lighters. That looks like a good deal. $24.99 Range Master 17-piece grill tool set. Ooh, let's see if they have that cleaning thing I want. Yeah, it's probably on the other side. I'm looking for mesh, not the wire sharp things. I don't know. Probably not making sense. Sorry. $6.99. They still have some gardening stuff. I gotta hand it to them. That's good. For premium pruning gloves. Ooh, especially if you're pruning roses. That could be good. $6.99 Adventure Ridge small cooler bag. Very nice, especially if you have kids. And then this page, oh, they have, here are more floats. So these are different from last week. $9.99, there's a popsicle one and a fruit slice. Fruit slice. Why are they saying fruit slice and not orange? Does that mean that they might also have a pineapple or other kinds of fruit? Those are really cute. I really like that popsicle one, but also I love me some citrus, as you know. $4.99 fan clips or phone holder. Little journey fan. So you could clip it to a stroller. I wonder if this would work for an exercise bike. $19.99 for the embroidered straw tote. Do not disturb or slay all day. And $6.99 for the men's or ladies slip-on shoes. $2.99 for the novelty LED string lights. I assume these are pretty small. And then they have on the bottom here, $12.99 for the Auto XS trunk organizer with cooler with 2 large compartments and 3 small mesh side pockets. Okay, and then $9.99 for the triple USB smart car charger. So it looks like you would plug this into a lighter. And there's 3 ports there. $16.99 for a portable tire inflator. So I was mentioning last week that they had these round pillows that could be cool for kids, especially that are kids. I did it again, not kids. Young men or women that are moving out and going to a dorm or whatever, their first apartment. So these could be cute. $12.99 Huntington Home backrest. And lots of little stuff here. $19.99 at the bottom. Huntington Home 20 by 48 inch body pillow. I assume these are also in coral. Again, it's not going to show me. All right, right at the top, $49.99 for a smartwatch with heart rate. So sleep monitor, pedometer, calorie tracker, GPS, sedentary reminder. So keeping you from sitting still for too long and more. And then more LED lights in a curtain version. That could be cute. Looks like multicolors. Again, very cute for a dorm room maybe. $3.99 for smartphone earbuds, cable, or charger. Down here, again, more LED string lights. These look smaller, of course, than a big curtain. $3.49, and it has a timer function. That's kind of cool. $9.99 Easy Home mini dehumidifier. And as usual, they have the Huntington 3-wick candles. $16.75 for the battery toothbrush and $14.99, not $14, for the essential oil spray. I do use essential oil spray, just a light mist sometimes on my pillow. Like I'll do lavender. And then over here in the middle, $12.99 for magnetic wireless mouse and pad set. I assume there are multiple designs of these. I feel like these kinds of things, you know, the earbuds, the USB cords, chargers, they tend to stick around. I don't think they fly off the shelf at my Aldi like some of the other stuff, like those rockers probably will. $8.49 for a Sterilite 64-quart latching box. And then at the bottom, starting on July 14th, the meat deals. So $3.99 a pound for the Morton's of Omaha fresh seasoned tri-tip roast. And then in the Simply Nature brand, the fresh organic grass-fed strip steaks, $9.99. I can attest to their steaks. They are really good. And $7.89 a pound for the wild caught cod portions. Okay, let's zoom out. All right, guys, let me know, what do you find interesting in this ad? Is there something that you're looking forward to? Do you think lemon and chocolate would go well together? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.